Welcome to our channel Simply Mathematical. Now you know that the CBSE has reduced the syllabus, okay, of standard 9th to standard 12th, right? So in this video, let us look at what all topics are deleted from class 11th maths, okay? So now let us start with the first chapter. So chapter 1, that is sets. Now in this chapter, the topic difference of sets, okay? So difference of sets here is deleted, okay? So this you don't have to study. So the problems related to difference of sets you should not study, okay? Then the complement of set here, okay, that is also deleted. So complement of the set, right? And the properties, so this is also deleted. So exercise 1.5 entire you should not study, okay? So now if we go to the next, okay, rest all things you have to study in this chapter 1, okay? Now if we go to the chapter 2, that is relations and functions, okay, here the topic that is deleted is this r cross r cross r, okay? So you don't have to look at the problems relating to this, okay? That is the triple cross product, okay? So that you don't have to study. And the algebra of real functions, okay? So this you don't have to study, that is the sum, difference, multiplication and all those things you don't have to study. And so I think the problems which are related to that, okay, that is fx equal to root of 9 minus x, because this has difference, okay, all those I think you should not study, okay? But I'll confirm you if by looking at the CBSE paper, okay, that they will upload on their website, okay, that is the sample paper, okay? Looking at that we can know, right? And these graphs are there, okay, that is the functions and their graphs, all this is there to study, okay? Then if we go to the chapter 3, that is the trigonometric functions, there the topic which is deleted is trigonometric equations, okay? So this, right? So this topic is deleted, and so the exercise 3.4 is not there, okay? This entire exercise you should not study, right? Now rest all you have to study, okay, in this trigonometric function. This is an important lesson. So if we go to the next chapter 4, this entire chapter is deleted, okay, that is principle of mathematical induction is deleted, right? So this entire chapter is not there, okay. Then if we go to the chapter 5, that is complex numbers and quadratic equation, then here the square roots is deleted, okay, of complex numbers, of negative real numbers, that is, okay, square roots of negative real numbers is deleted. And this polar representation, argand plane and polar representation is also deleted. So this exercise 5.2, okay, here is deleted, okay, exercise 5.2 of chapter 5 is deleted, right? So that is what is deleted in chapter 5. Quadratic equation is there, okay, in the chapter 5, this you have to study, okay? Then if we go to the chapter 6, that is the linear inequalities, okay, this entire chapter is there, okay, nothing is deleted from this chapter. This linear equalities entire chapter is there in the syllabus. So now if we move on to the chapter 7, permutations and combinations, here only the proof of the formulae, okay, of permutations, okay, is deleted, right? So that is the derivation of the formula, right? This is deleted, okay. Then also the derivation of the formula for the combinations. Okay, so that is the theorem 5 here. So this is deleted. Okay, so this you don't have to study, but this theorem 6 is there. Okay, theorem 6 is there, this you have to study. Okay, then this exercise, everything is there. Okay, in the chapter permutations and combinations. Now if we look at the chapter 8, right, the chapter is 8, entire chapter is deleted. Okay, binomial theorem. So this chapter, entire chapter is deleted, chapter 8. Then if we move on to the chapter 9 here, okay, that is the sequence and series. So here the formulae for sum of n terms, okay, of special series. Okay, this is deleted. Okay, sum of n terms of special series is deleted, right? Okay, rest everything is there. So the problems related to that topic, that is the sum of n terms of special series, you don't have to solve. Okay, so now straight lines chapter, if you look at here in this chapter, shifting of origin, which I'm not finding here. Okay, that is deleted, I think. And the problems, okay, where you have to find the equation of line, okay, which passes through the intersection of two lines, that problems are deleted. So I think you should study the entire chapter here, straight lines. Okay, chapter 10, no need to leave anything, because those are the very small topics that you have. Okay, so if we now move on, right, to the conic section. Conic section, this is deleted, degenerated conic sections. Okay, this topic is deleted. Okay, so this you don't have to study, rest everything is there. Okay, parabola, hyperbola, circle. Okay, the problems regarding that all are there in the syllabus. Okay, so now if we move on to the next, that is the chapter 12, that is introduction to three-dimensional geometry. This entire chapter is there, okay, to study, right? Nothing is deleted from this chapter 12. Okay, so if we move on to the chapter 13, here also nothing is deleted, this entire chapter is there. Okay, so this also that is the introduction to three-dimensional, entire chapter is there. Okay, so if we move on, so this 13th chapter is full there. Okay, limits and derivatives, this is the important chapter, okay, which you will use in the 12th standard, right? So you have to study this. So they have kept it, okay, the entire chapter they have included in the syllabus. Okay, so now if you look at this mathematical reasoning chapter 14, this is deleted full. Okay, full chapter 14 is deleted, mathematical reasoning. Okay, so now if we move on, okay, that is to the chapter 15, that is the statistics. Okay, here only one subtopic is deleted. Okay, analysis of frequency distribution. So that is the last subtopic in this chapter, that is deleted. Okay, rest, mean, standard deviation, all these things are there to study. Okay, in the chapter 15 statistics. Okay, now if we move on, that is the last chapter, that is chapter 16. Okay, which is nothing but the probability. So in the probability chapter, everything is there except, okay, except this, the last subtopic, that is axiomatic approach, okay, to probability, this subtopic here, okay, this subtopic here, okay, is deleted, right? This axiomatic approach to probability, this subtopic is deleted. And so the exercise 6.3 sorry, 16.3 you should not study. Okay, 16.3 entire exercise you should not study. Okay, so that was the deleted part of the syllabus, okay, for 2021. Okay, so that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.